Final book Quran. Quran and other books. Who sent all sacred books? Surah Al-Imran verses 3 and 4. Translation. Allah has sent down upon you, O Muhammad, the book of Quran in truth, confirming what was before it. And he revealed the Torah and the Gospel before, as guidance for the people. And he revealed the Quran. Indeed, those who disbelieve in the verses of Allah will have a severe punishment, and Allah is exalted in might, the owner of retribution. In these verses, Allah addresses Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stating that he has sent down the Quran as a true and confirming revelation, affirming the divine guidance conveyed in previous scriptures, the Torah and the Gospel. The Torah was revealed to Prophet Moses, peace be upon him, while the Gospel was revealed to Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him. Both of these scriptures served as guidance for their respective communities. The Quran is described as the final revelation, completing and perfecting the divine guidance provided in earlier scriptures. It serves as a comprehensive and universal guide for all of humanity, containing timeless truths and principles that address the spiritual, moral, social, and legal aspects of human life. The severity of punishment is mentioned for those who reject the verses of Allah, indicating the gravity of disbelief and the consequences that result from turning away from divine guidance. Allah's might and authority are emphasized, highlighting his power to enforce retribution upon those who transgress his commandments. Important messages. 1. Continuity of divine guidance. The Quran is presented as the culmination of a series of divine revelations, affirming the continuity of God's guidance throughout history. It acknowledges the validity of previous scriptures while emphasizing the Quran's comprehensive and final nature. 2. Universal guidance. The Quran is not limited to a particular time, place, or community but is intended as guidance for all of humanity. It addresses the fundamental questions of human existence and provides practical guidance for leading a righteous and fulfilling life. 3. Consequences of disbelief. The severity of punishment for those who reject the verses of Allah underscores the importance of faith and obedience. It serves as a warning against the consequences of disbelief and disobedience, urging individuals to heed divine guidance and follow the path of righteousness. 4. Allah's justice. The mention of Allah's might and retribution highlights his attributes of justice and accountability. It reassures believers that ultimately, God will hold all accountable for their actions and ensure that justice is served. Key lesson. The key lesson from these verses is the importance of recognizing and accepting divine guidance, as conveyed in the Quran. It emphasizes the Quran's role as a universal and final revelation, urging individuals to embrace faith and obedience while warning against the consequences of disbelief and disobedience. Ultimately, it underscores the importance of aligning one's actions with the teachings of the Quran to attain spiritual fulfillment and divine approval.